let's discuss about the LStrip string function. The LStrip string function returns the copy of the string with leading characters removed, based on the string argument passed. It takes the optional curs parameter, and if no argument has been passed, it will strip the leading spaces, if any, in the string, else it will return the copy of the original string. One more point to be noted, that the cars that is passed is case sensitive with the given string. So it will only strip those characters which matches the case of the alphabet or the string provided. Also, the LStrip string function will match the first occurrence of any combination of the cars provided, and it will strip from the left side until it finds the first mismatch. So let's take an example. Python is awesome, and let's put some leading spaces in this string, and let's apply the LStrip string function without any arguments. And if you see, all the leading spaces has been stripped out, or all the spaces at the left hand side of the string has been stripped out. So if we run the same example, having some spaces at right hand side, and apply the LStrip string function without any argument and run this, you will see the spaces at the left hand side or the leading spaces has been removed, but the succeeding spaces or the spaces at the right hand side has remained unchanged. So the LStrip string function has only effect on the left hand side spaces. If we take another example and copy the same string and remove the leading and the succeeding spaces and provide an argument capital P and run the code, we will see the leading P has been removed from the string. If we add some more alphabets in the argument provided and run this again, we will see the output is same, as any combination of the argument provided will be matched with the given string, and it will remove the first match from the left hand side until it finds a mismatch. So this function will check all the matched combination of the characters provided in the argument, and it will remove the matches until it finds the first mismatch. So if we provide pyt and then is as an argument and run this code, we will see the pyt has been removed. Or if we jumble the string like tpy and run it, we get the same output, as all the combination is being checked. So this is the utility of the LStrip string function. Thanks all for watching this video till the end.